Tick-tock, tick-tock. How long is it going to take? I got places to be. A common question I get regarding getting life insurance is how long does it take? I got so much things going on with my family, with my job, that I wanted to go through the most simplest way possible to get life insurance coverage. If you're wondering how long it takes, let's take a look. So when getting life insurance coverage, first realize that you have two different routes you can go. You can get a traditional term policy that's fully underwritten, meaning that you're going to get a medical exam, or you can go the non-medical approach. We'll take a look at both of these to see how long the process actually takes. After you figure out how much life insurance you need, you'll get your quote online. If that is within your budget, then you'll do the phone interview where they'll ask you some basic medical questions. At the end of that phone interview, they'll schedule where a traveling nurse will come to your home or your residence at a time that's convenient for you. They'll do a quick blood and urine sample. They'll then take those results and forward that on to the life insurance company. If there's something that comes up in the phone interview or in your blood and urine test, they'll then request your medical records and then verify everything matches up. So that whole process I just described to you can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. It all depends on how quickly you get your life insurance medical exam. What are they going to find on your medical records? So if they have to go to different doctors, if you had different medical procedures, sometimes tracking that information down can take forever. We often encourage our clients to call your doctor's office and let them know, hey, I'm applying for life insurance coverage. They're going to be asking for my medical records. Can you make sure that you have those handy for them? Because most people don't realize that doctors can't bill for this. They can't get paid to get your medical records to the life insurance company. But if you give them a heads up, that'll give them a little time to get that information ready to make the life insurance process go that much smoother. So the life insurance company will review your medical records and then they'll make you an offer based on what you applied for, and they'll send you the delivery requirements, which is just filling out a simple form acknowledging that you're getting life insurance, and then you take care of the premium, whether you're sending out a one-time check or a voided check if you're having it automatically deducted from your checking account. While that may sound involved, after you complete the medical exam, if you don't need to call your doctor's office, you don't have to do anything else. Our back office or the life insurance company's back office will take care of all that stuff for you. You calling your doctor's office just helps speed it along, but it's not a requirement. Now, if you're looking for a faster solution, that's where a non-medical life insurance policy can make sense. Now, one quick disclaimer regarding non-medical policies. Since you're avoiding some of the basic underwriting guidelines like you would with a traditional term policy, you can expect to pay a little bit more than you would that type of policy. Now, when I say a little bit more, you can figure paying on 10, 15, sometimes 20% more, depending on what's going on with your health. But if you're in need of fast life insurance coverage, a non-medical policy can make a lot of sense. It also makes a lot of sense for people that just can't stand needles. So if you don't like getting your blood drawn, if you get sweaty palms and start getting dizzy, then by avoiding getting your blood taken, the non-medical policy can make sense for you. Similar to the traditional term policy, you'll conduct a phone interview. Then based off what you answer in that interview, they'll compare that to what they find in your medical records. If everything jives, then you can expect to have your life insurance coverage in anywhere from 7 to 10 business days. So yes, that's much faster than the 4 to 6 weeks that it takes to get a traditional term policy. But once again, if you're not in a rush and you don't mind getting some blood taken, then the traditional term policy is going to be a whole lot cheaper. So answering the question, how long does it take to get life insurance coverage? It could be anywhere from 7 to 10 business days with a non-medical policy, or anywhere for up to 4 to 6 weeks for a traditional term policy. If you have any more questions regarding purchasing life insurance for your family, this is Jeff Rose, your life insurance resident expert here at wisebred.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Until next time, take care.